Hey, Michael. So earlier we heard Fred speaking about the new gateway user interface with My Library. What do you think this is going to mean for the beverage alcohol segment?
Yeah, so as Fred has shown, my library basically sits on top of Gateway and provides a new look and feel and improved functionality along the way. So with my library, you can see all of the dashboard options, report options, and analytics that you have access to right on the My Library screen. And you can quickly go from a dashboard within one application to a report in a completely different application with very few clicks.
How about you show us a quick demo of that?
Sure. So here's the My Library screen, and I'm signed in. And first of all, across the top here, I have all the applications that I have access to. So I can see for our business, distributor advisor, supplier advisor, program advisor, and so on. So if I want to look at program advisor and I want to go right to something like my program summary, I could just click on that button, and here's my currently running programs. If I want to go back and quickly go to a report I have in distributor advisor, such as a sales report, I can go right to that. So you can see how you can go real quick. But one of the other big advantages is I can even save things that are important to me. So for example, if I very often go into my programs and maybe I want to look at all of them on one screen, but I want to look at just my high priority ones and also maybe my hot list ones. So here's my key list of programs. I can save this as a shortcut. So now every day when I get into my library, I can go right to that shortcut and bring this screen up with my quick view settings already selected. Then if I want to, I can go back and I can go back to my distributor advisor application. I can go into my measures. And let's say also I'm very keen on following my gross profit. So I can click on the gross profit. And maybe I want to add this to a dashboard as a shortcut. And I want to select maybe month-to-date gross profit and also year-to-date gross profit. It's very important to me. So I'm going to select those. And now in my shortcuts, I'm building a dashboard of those key things that are important to me. So I can go quickly right to my programs and program advisor. I can, in one click, and I can go right to my dashboard from distributor advisor. So very nice, smooth interface.
So basically, you've built your own set of KPIs that are unique to you, and each of the individual users can do that for themselves.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
Wow, I could see how that'll be very beneficial to the industry. And if I'm not mistaken, one of our first full rollouts of My Library is actually in the cannabis industry with PedalFast. And I think now we're going to jump to an interview of Sam Carey to show us just what he's done over at PedalFast. Thanks very much, Michael. Look forward to more.
Yes.